Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. As I was looking across the markets today, I was like, we're not really going anywhere. This is the Dow futures right here. You can see it's an inside day. That means that the range today is within the overall range of yesterday. And really, at this point, not much more than a spinning top. NASDAQ, really small range. I mean, like about half from yesterday. That is not very helpful. Another spinning top on the Russell. We did get a little bit lower, but corrected from there and ended up, at least at this recording, back about in the center. Similar situation for the S&P. So I was like, blah, what a boring day. And then look at these babies. The meat markets are amazing today. Okay, so let's talk about what's going on here. We flipped the parabolic SAR. This is lean hogs, by the way, above the cloud, above the turning line and the standard line. Like I said, flip that parabolic SAR. So that is awesome. Let's see where it might go from here. Okay, so we are here. Next target up would be 79.565. Let's look at these other meats because they're all rocking today. I mean, look at those green candles. That's beautiful. This one is live cattle and heading toward these highs up here around 189.127. And last but not least, this is feeder cattle. Yet another amazing day. And we will head toward 252 ish. My birthday sale ends tonight. So if you want to lock in 46% off one of my best selling trading courses, now would be the best time to do that. I'll link you over there if you'd like to check it out. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.